Assalamu alaikum. We are present with a new topic. What is earning? Income. There are two ways to earning. Number one, right way. Number two, wrong way. If we earn money by right way, it is called halal earning. If we earn money by wrong way, it is called forbidden earnings. Every country in the world has its own law to making money, and every religion has own law to earn money. Same this, Islam has own law and regulation to make money. Islam advises us to make money by right way. And Islam tell us some tips to increase earnings. Number one, Quran says us in the Quran, why are you not read this word Astaghfirullah, so that Allah merciful to you. If we read this word Astaghfirullah regularly, Allah will merciful us and Allah will improve our earnings. Number two, it is in a hadith, whoever seeks forgiveness from Allah, Allah will provide for him from where he never accepted. Number three, it is in a hadith, one day a man complained to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, about his poverty. Then the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said him that when you go to your house, greet your family and greet me, and recite Surah Ikhlas. The person act on this advice someday. After 4 days, his poverty has gone away. It is in a hadith. One day a man complained to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, about his poverty and lost his son. Then the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said him that read this word, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyil azim. There is no power except with Allah. He read this verse someday. After 4 days, his poverty gone away, and his son also came back at home. Number 5, obedience of Durud Sharif increases the provision. Obedience of Durud Sharif increase in provision. Number 6, trading relatives well also increases provision. Number 7, everyday recitation of Surah Waqia increases provision. Next time we will come back with a new topic. Please take care and may Allah bless you.